I can't believe my eyes. This guy is definitely the ceiling of the craft world. Only use a few ordinary PVC plastic pipes. It's purely handmade, built a remote-controlled dump truck. The degree of restoration is unbelievable. The details are off the charts. Even the engineers of the car manufacturers, I'm ashamed to see it. The guy studied mechanical design in college. I didn't find my favorite job after graduation. I entered a repair shop as a repairman. Collie laughed at his college for nothing. But luckily, the boss treats himself well. So the guy keeps holding on. Usually hard work. As long as there is time, the guy will devote himself to the construction of the car. Try to use PVC plastic pipe to restore it. Khaleesi is sneering. Think the guy is wasting his time? Have that spare time. Might as well fix a few more cars. Never thought. After half a month, the final product is out. Everyone was stunned. I can't believe my eyes. I can't think of anything. The guy can make such a perfect work. The boss was even more excited when he saw it. Immediately promoted the guy. The heart of home once looked down on his colleagues. Also became respectful. The news spread quickly. Various media rushed to report. Many car manufacturers have thrown olive branches to the guy. Some offer $1 million annual salary. I want to invite guys to join my company. The boy slowly reached the peak of his life. Next, let's take a look at the magic operation of the boy. At this point we see, in the blink of an eye, the guy has finished making the tire part. Next is the production of the rear axle transmission mechanism. This part is more difficult to make. Everyone pay attention. Be careful and miss a link. You may not learn. By the way, while watching and enjoying, remember to go to the comment area and type "I love me." Reconcile with yourself. 100 ways to love yourself. See how you love yourself. By the way, take a picture and send it out for comparison. After arriving here, the transmission bridge is made. The next thing is to start making the front beam of the car. Structural part. After cutting, according to the drawn graphics, splice them together to form a hole. Let's start making the steering knuckle structure. Turn to the structure here, and it's made. The next step is to make shock absorbers for cars. It also uses PVC to suppress. Install the made shock absorber below. Next, the bridge structure can be connected to the frame. Then install the made tires on it. The effect looks very good. Next, we start making the drive motor. Install the motor. Next, install the battery. Take out the remote control and test it. The effect is perfect. Continue making below. Start making the cab now. The entire cab is also used PVC plastic pressed. Please pay attention to the video operation details. The following is the production process of the rear bucket of the car. Then you can put the back of the car. The bucket is connected to the frame. Test the opening and closing effect. No problem at all. Next is the production of the rear bucket electric lifting device. What's going on now is the installation of the lighting system. The cab sound system can't be dropped either. I have to say that this detail is directly Finally, the refinement of some small details. Everyone pay attention to the video operation. I won't go into detail here. So, this video is coming to an end. Craftsmen get up early and late every day and work hard to create. It's not easy. Move your rich little hand. Give craftsmen a free like. Your support is the driving force for our continuous creation. Thank you very much. How did it shock you? What do you think of this guy's craftsmanship? If you get a full score of 100, how many points would you give? If you think the guy's craftsmanship is not bad, forward it for more people to see. More creative productions will be shared every day. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and follow.